hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. आज की वीडियो में we are gonna be talking about some of the major mistakes that you all do when you all are dieting. यानी डाइट करते टाइम कुछ तो भी ऐसे मिस्टेक्स होते हैं, कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती है which you misinterpret, और ये तब होता है जब you do not consult an expert and you diet by yourself. So just get into the video and see what are the mistakes that you might be doing which is wrong and which can be corrected. Okay, so the very first mistake that you all might do, that you all might fall for, is following for trend. That is, whichever diet is trending, for example, DASH diet, keto diet, Mediterranean diet, then we have General Motors diet and n number of trends that come and go. So you should never fall for any of these trends. क्यों नहीं हमें follow करना चाहिए? Because all these trends, when you see clearly, when you see all these trends and when you see them in very detail, you observe that you can do it for a very short time, say about 1 month, 2 months, maximum 3 months you can follow the diet. But after that आप वो चीज on a longer run नहीं कर पाते हैं, and जो भी चीज आप एक longer run में नहीं कर पाते, it's not right, because dieting is all about changing your life from the normal life, the junk life that you are living, to a healthy life, to things, to healthy habits that you can include for a longer run, for a lifetime. ऐसे नहीं कि 2 महीना कर लिया and हो गया, नहीं. So you should avoid following any trend, because you know these are short term trends, they come and go, they are known as fad diets. So you should avoid following fad diets. The second most common mistake which I have seen everyone around me doing is eating packaged foods in the name of diet food. There are various packaged foods available in the name of diet food, and these are their marketing tactics. We need to understand this. ये उनकी marketing का तरीका है. They sell you diet chuda, they sell you what not, they sell you in the name of dieting, but you have to read the label properly and understand that just because diet food is written on it, is it really a diet food, or are you including more of something you wanted to avoid because you're dieting? So you should be very clear, and if you really are very much precise about your foods and everything, you should read your label properly and avoid falling for fake diet foods which are present in the market. Now the third most common mistake जो मैंने देखा है, which I have seen, which I have observed people do, is you have a friend of yours जिसने किसी से डाइट लिया होगा, बहुत अच्छा काम किया होगा, किसी एक्सपर्ट को कंसल्ट करके एक डाइट लिया होगा. दैट डाइट वर्कड आउट फॉर हर, एंड उसने सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ वेट लूज किया या उसने सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ वेट गेन किया. नाउ जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर गुड फ्रेंड्स, what you expect is the person will share you the diet, and the person does. उसको क्या करना है, and you take उसका diet and you try following that diet. Maybe it does not work for you, because diet chart is basically like a cloth which is made according to everyone's body type. आप सभी की needs, आप सभी के bodily needs, आप सभी के requirements, everything is mismatched, and उसको इस तरह से alter, इस तरह से किया जाता है that it perfectly suits and fits only you. So you should avoid copying from other person's diet and trying to following that diet, या किसी से पूछ के आपने क्या किया है, वो बंदे ने बता दिया this is the diet I used to follow for this days and now I have lost weight or now I have gained weight. Okay, so now I'll do this. It's not right. उसके लिए that worked out, but for you it might not. So you can just go to any expert in the field and you can consult her and you can just ask her for a diet and get your sized diet chart which is perfectly fitted to you from a person who's expert in the field. Now, the fourth most common thing which you all have seen people doing, which you all have done in a life once in a time, is starving or fasting. यानी मैं डाइट पे हूँ तो आई एम नॉट ईटिंग मच, आई एम जस्ट स्टार्व, मतलब मैं खुद को भूखा रख रही हूँ बिकॉज आई एम ऑन डाइट. मैं पेट भर नहीं खा पा रही हूँ, या फिर मैं एक टाइम का मील ही स्किप कर देती हूँ कि मैं ना रात में खाना छोड़ दिया, मैं डाइट पे हूँ, मैं ना ये नहीं कर रही, मैं ना डाइट पे, मैं ये मतलब मैं नहीं खा रही, मैं 4 रोटी खाने वाली बंदी, मैं अब 1 ही रोटी खा रही हूँ जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम ऑन डाइट. इट इज़ सो रॉन्ग. जैसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला, डाइट इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन कैरी ऑन फॉर अ लॉन्गर रन. तो आप जो भी आदतें, जो भी हैबिट्स इनकलकेट कर रहे हो, जस्ट आस्क योरसेल्फ, for how many days can I do this? Can I do this lifetime? And if you can do that for a lifetime, it's a very good healthy habit, plus anything. So starving and fasting is extremely bad for you. First of all, आप अपने body को basically बहुत ही आप अपने बॉडी को एनर्जी रिस्ट्रिक्ट करके रखते हैं काफ़ी टाइम तक, जिसकी वजह से आपकी बॉडी हाइपोग्लाइसेमिक स्टेट में भी जा सकती है. तो आप अपनी बॉडी को एनर्जी रिस्ट्रिक्ट करके रखते हो. बट let me tell you one thing which you all have observed. What is the thing about starving or fasting? So if you have skipped one of your meal, for example if you have skipped your lunch, तो there are high chances कि आप अपने डिनर का जो पोर्शन साइज है वो नॉर्मल से कहीं ज़्यादा खाएंगे, just because you were hungry for so many times. और जैसे ही वो हंगर, जैसे you just break the starving वाला period, you have no control on your portion size, you do not see anything and you just eat और फिर वो डबल हो जाता है. So it's better कि भूखे ही ना रहे, rather than जब भूख खुले तो you munch on so much. So that is important to understand that starving or fasting is not at all going to help you for weight loss, dieting. देखो कई लोगों को हो जाता है, मतलब कई लोग ना they starve for some days, they lose some amount of weight. agreeable है कि तुम खा नहीं रहे हो, obviously तुम्हारी बॉडी के जो stored fats है वो धीरे धीरे the stored fats reserves में से ही बॉडी एनर्जी यूज करेगी. But darling, how many days will you starve yourself? How many days will you put your body in a state which is not normal? Your body is normally designed in a way that it takes your carbohydrates, converts it to glucose, stores it or uses it as ATP. This is a normal process. So how many days are you going to shift your body from a normal process to process of breaking down fats and then using energy and all of this? It's very important to understand that these all things might work for you, but they are not right. और आप 1 महीना करोगे फास्टिंग, 2 महीना करोगे, and then when you return back you gain double the weight. And most of us have seen it that weight loss होता है, but when you return back to your normal schedule you get double the weight, because then you have just lost the control of the. Now the fifth and the last habit which I want all of you to concentrate on is, just because it's written in your diet, just because it's prescribed by a dietitian does not mean you can hog on it. You have to have a control on your portion size. You have to understand that there's certain amount में वो चीज़ खानी होती है. Just because it's good, you cannot just. I hope you understand कि अच्छी भी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं खा सकते हो आप. Just because someone has told you कि you know what, you should have eggs. You cannot just end up eating a lot of it, because then you see a lot of side effects. बहुत ही ज़्यादा हीट रिलीज हो जाती है. यू हैव ऑल ओवर योर बॉडी, आपको छोटे छोटे बॉइल्स आ जाएंगे. यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि डाइट में एग लिखा है, डाइट में बनाना लिखा है, या डाइट में मिल्क शेक लिखा है तो यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू हैव इट ऑल द टाइम. जस्ट थिंक ऑफ एवरीथिंग यू आर हैविंग. just focus on the portion size. Just control your portion size, control the amount of things you're having. Even when you have a control on your portion size, even if you're having a piece of cake, a small piece of cake, it won't matter much. So जब आपके portion size पर आप control कर लेते हैं तो dieting becomes really very easy. So with this I will end my video. These were the 5 common diet mistakes that I've seen people do. If you know any more of it, please comment down in the video below and let me know what are the misconceptions or what are the mistakes that you did when you were on dieting, or what are the common things that you have heard which you feel is wrong during dieting. Till then, take care, bye, and please don't forget to like my channel, share my video, comment below if you have related to the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.